Dr. Goodnight's going to do a thread lift to improve my cheeks and jowls.
This thread lift is begun by marking the face where you plan on getting the pull and deciding which angles give the best look on the face. This will be the path of the 5 threads that will go on each side. It's done with the tumescent technique through some little incisions in the hairline that heal overnight. It's painless because of this. The cannula introducer is inserted deep in the fat. Then you remove the introducer and put in these barbed sutures that absorb over a year. They are actually hold themselves in place. As soon as you pull them, they stay where they're put. They don't actually need to be knotted, as they have these barbs in bi-directions. The tumescent numbing is actually preventing the bruising as well. The process is repeated on each side, in this case 5 threads per side, and the cannula is kept deep in the same plane as a standard facelift. The stitches are pulled taut. This lifts the cheeks and jowls. You cut off any excess. Once again, no knots needed.
I just had this thread lift yesterday and I look better already. It's been 3 weeks since I've had my thread lift with 10 of these to lift my cheeks. And I'm here today to lift this area with 4 of these finer threads.
The fines are started by numbing and marking the area, and then the path of the fines will be through 2 small incisions that heal in a day. They go deep in on each side down to the marionette's jowls. You prep the skin first with heavy cleanse. The blunt cannulas come preloaded with the stitch. You make the tiny holes that heal in a day in front of the ear. You pass the cannulas deeply, and as soon as you pull out the cannulas, that stitch is in there. It holds itself in place with the absorbable barbs. They last almost a year. You repeat the process on the left. When you pull them tightly, it flattens the jowls. You then just cut off the extra stitch so there's nothing sticking out, and the jowls are then flattened.
With the mini and fine threads, not only are my cheeks lifted, but my jowls are completely gone.
The 10 mini threads nicely lifted the cheeks and rejuvenated them, while the 4 fine threads flattened the nasal labial folds and rejuvenated the marionettes.